Hello crafty friends, I'm back with another design team project for Not2Shabby. This week I'm using Brush Bunny by Gerda Steiner Designs. How cute is this little bunny with a paintbrush and the egg and then the beautiful brushstroke font. So I did use my alcohol markers for the coloring of these images. For the bunnies, I'm going to show you how I did two different colors of bunnies, one in browns, and I'm using the warm gray 1, 3, and 5 for this little guy. And the second one I'm going to color today is going to be a white bunny, and I'm going to use the cool grays for him. So this came together quite simple. I had to make some Easter cards. Well, I didn't have to, but I wanted to make some Easter cards for my staff. I wanted to do something quick and simple, and normally I will make them different versions using a stamp set. So if you recall, for Valentine's Day, I used the Sweet Friends by Lawn Fawn and then made the 3x4s, not 3x4, 3x3s different for each of my staff. This one, I felt like I wasn't going to have enough time to do something creative for all of them, so I'm doing 9 to 10 cards. I think I did 10. I only need 9, but I wanted one extra in the same quick and simple layout. So I needed to make 30 of these little eggs, which you'll see here. I bring out my Spectrum Noir markers and I use like the big fat end that I like never use because I was like, if I have to do 30 of these, I need to get them done quickly, but we'll get there shortly. So I'm just finishing up the bunny. So I'm using C3, C1, and then I'm using my blending pen or my blending Copic marker to really blend that out so he looks nice and cute and white. So half of the cards I do are going to be in the brown bunny and half of the cards I do are going to be in the white, just to switch it up a little. So I'm just going to paint the paintbrush as well here. I'm using the C's. I thought maybe to kind of have it look like a metal paintbrush. I don't know. I thought with the brown bunny, I thought with a brown wooden handle for the paintbrush, it would have blended in too much with the brown bunny. Here's, see the monstrous end of the Spectrum Noirs, but look how quickly I get this colored. So I'm doing a purple egg, a blue egg, and the purple egg is the one that the bunny is going to be painting, and I do a yellow egg, and I thought I had my darkest one there, but the L1 is actually darker than the L2, so I just went back over that. Here's the little teal egg, and I'm only using one marker because I find there's just too much of a difference in some of these, so I just went over it a few more times on that one end to make it look like it had some shading, but really didn't. So I'm using my Memento black marker here, and I'm drawing in some lines, some circles, and then the purple one I'm just going to do blank as if he is still working on that little creation. So I am going to fussy cut these out, and I don't keep the whole thing on the video, but they were super simple to cut out. Oh, you know it. Here is my worn lipstick, Distress Oxide. I really just wanted a subtle background, and I had already used the blue, yellow, purple, so I kind of was only left with pink. I have had this Perfect Pearls pearl color forever, and I really have never used it, so I wanted to try it because Kelly Latavola is always using it. So I thought, time to get this out of my stash. So I'm really just going to sprinkle this on. It does give it a really pretty shimmer. I'm also going to get out my Heidi Swap Color Shine. So this has made an appearance on my past, well, this one and last week's design team project, and I'm kind of falling in love with my sprays again. So the reason why I chose black was because I wanted to bring in black for the sentiment, and I thought I needed some black somewhere else. I don't know if it was the best choice, but it's fine. Also bringing out, holy goodness, some old school supplies here. Wanted to use this up. It's the White Opal Liquid Pearls by Ranger, and this matches the shine that the Perfect Pearls gives. Now I'm just going to stamp the inside here, and you know, I'm using this for staff, so I'm using thank you and then this sentiment stamp for the gift cards that MFT released in, was it February? And just stamping for all you do. So cute little card for my staff. If you were using this for friends or family, you know, you could stamp whatever you wanted on the inside. And this will just be cute with a little bit of candy for my staff. So here's the little bunny painting on the purple one. I did pop up the bunnies, and I'm thinking now I could go back and kind of make it look like he's got black paint on his paintbrush and it's like dripping onto the black one, and that may make the black color shine make more sense. But anyhow, thanks for watching. I will see you all again really soon. Take care. Bye.